Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Hey guys, it's Lucy again. Today I'm here to teach you guys Mission Impossible again. So we're looking at the left hand today. If you haven't already watched part 1, please go back and do that because it's going to be super important to figure out this left hand because we actually learn the motif that you play in your left hand in the right hand. So if you haven't watched it, go back and watch that. If you have, great stuff. We're going to look at that now. So as a recap, the motif we're looking at is the G, G, B flat, C, G, G, F, F sharp. Okay? So it's da, 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 da. And it's at that pitch. It's just below middle C. So middle C is here and we're starting here. So you're going to repeat this motif 7 times, which is 14 bars in total. So 14 lots of 5 beats per bar. So we're going to try that now, okay? And you can count with me. You play 4 bars or twice through of the motif before the right hand comes in, and then you continue on until you get to 7 times through. All right, after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, okay? We will look at in the next video how to put them hands together, which is the tricky part. But for now, we're going to focus on that. So that is the first part of our left hand. The second part is a very similar rhythm, but you have to hold the notes a little bit longer, and we're going to change the notes. So we're going to start on a C, so a little bit lower from where we were. We're going to start here. And we're going to play C, C, G, G. So you have to jump up to G and down to G. Then we're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to change the G to an F sharp. So we're going to do. Then we'll do the same thing again, but we're going to change the F sharp to an F. And then the same thing again, but we're going to change the F to an E. Okay, so if you put that all together, it goes. Okay, that's it. So if we put that all the way through from the beginning, it will sound a little bit like this. So remember, 7 times through of this motif. And then 4 times. And we go G, F sharp, F, E. Okay, let's try it all the way through. Ready? After 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it, there you go. Congratulations, you've learnt the left hand of Mission Impossible. Great stuff. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. We shall see you all soon. If you like this video, please give us a like and comment underneath if you did enjoy it. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more videos. If you didn't like the video, also leave us a comment letting us know why. We'll see you all soon for the right hand and left hand together. But keep practicing in the meantime. Great job. And remember, if you didn't manage to play it, you can pause the video, rewind, you can slow it down as many times as you need to, okay? See you later, guys. Well done.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our Fun-Keys flashcards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.